Here comes the newest news in 60 seconds.
Hey, e don shele o. You never hear? Kinomodemo.
Osinbajo finally meets Buhari 8 days after declaration for presidency.
Continue.
Afe Babalola to FG. Suspend 2023 elections. Set up interim government. FG renames National Theatre after 46 years of construction. Naf Aircraft crashes in Kaduna. Many feared dead. Chris Ngige on Tuesday formally declared his intention to contest the position of president. On Chrisland School sexual violence saga, who is to be blamed? Ronaldo to miss Manchester United-Liverpool clash after death of newborn son.
Thanks for watching.